Hello everyone, this is Anu from Turbo Coding, and in this video I'm going to show you how to put an image inside of text. So this is pretty straightforward. As I said, we're going to be putting the image inside of the text, meaning instead of having a regular text color, it'll be replaced with an image or a background image of your choice. So let's get into it. Alright. So inside of our HTML, the only thing we actually need to do is create our heading. So we just have to go ahead inside of the body and create a heading. And let's call it text. Save that. Link to our CSS in the head tag by using the link tag. And now we can head over to our CSS. So we'll start by removing some default margin and padding the body. So we'll set the margin and padding both to 0. We'll also give a font family. You can use whichever font family you want. I'm going to be using this one here. And then lastly, add a background color. So background RGB. I'm going to use 37. And again 37. And 37 again. So as you see, this creates a dark grayish color. So if I were to run this code, okay, now we can see our text that has changed its font family, and we have our background color. Now we can actually start customizing the header. So to make it bigger, we'll give it a font size of around 200 pixels. And because we want all our text to be uppercase, we do text transform, set that to uppercase. Now you see all of our text is uppercase. Now to make everything a bit wider, we'll add a font weight of 900. And a letter spacing to make the letters a lot more spaced apart at 40 pixels. Then we can position it. So we're going to give it a position of absolute and set a position for it to center. So top 50% and same left 50%. Now as you see, it's still not properly centered in all views. So for that we do transform, translate, minus 50% and again minus 50%. And now you see it's not properly centered, but it is mostly to the bottom because that's how we want it. Now we're just going to change the margins. So margin and 0. Now it's a bit more centered. And then we can actually add the background image. So we just have to go and do background and then set URL. And to get our image, we can go to unsplash.com and you can search for anything you want. So I use a cityscape, so go ahead and search cityscape. I'm using this one here, and you can use whichever one you want. Save it and put it into your folder. So as you see here, I've named it to bg.jpg. So bg.jpg. And we see our image. Now it's not showing up properly and it's not in the text obviously, so we will add that. So we're also going to want to give 50% and 50% here. That'll make it properly sized. And background size, we want to background size, we want to set that to cover. So that'll properly center it and not zoom it in so much. Now we're going to put it inside of the text. So to do that, we're going to do WebKit -text -fill -color and set that to transparent. Now we have our text transparent. Now we can actually put the image into the text. So again, WebKit, this time background clip, and set that to text. So now we have it inside of our text. So that's actually all there is to it, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, as it would really help me out a ton.